Alright, I'm building this Maximus 360 Nandflasher reprogrammer for this. I'm going to hook it onto the point. It's a Uart interface. This is a serial port, serial DB25 head, and I'm going to hood, DB25 hood, serial connector, and I'm using this Max232 Serial to TTL converter just to get the TXD and the RXD and the TX and RX. There's a serial, is about serial connections using Uart. Basically just making 4 connections, and I made this little header on here. I'm going to use a Maximus spare cable to plug it into those pogo pins. It's just a header board. It's a wafer board with the headers, 8 pins, and see that? I'm going to use this cable, and I'm going to Maximus spare cable. Okay, it's plugged in, and I'm gonna connect the power and the ground, the power to Max232 chip using the green wire, which is my power cable, connected on the end to a butt connector, which I spliced onto this DVD power cable to grab 3.3 volts and ground. That's going to simultaneously power the chip, this 232 chip, this serial to TTL converter to it's going to power that because it operates on 3.3 volts, and that's why this header is here to tap into that. It's like a try. I'm gonna make a 3-way splice basically, so I could get tap into 3.3 volts and come out here and tap onto the reprogram the LPC 1246, which is the ARM7 controller, the ARM controller. I don't know. So I have to take this apart, 2 screws, one on the left, one on the right, and expose the pins, the ICP in-systems control, ICSP. I'm tied to ground, and basically just 5 wires, TX, RX, which is using the serial or the baud interface, receive to transmit in, out, and back through the chip. The chip goes through the serial connector to the PC, the serial port, where I'm going to run this program called Flash Magic tool. It's a NXP microcontroller, which is the class of family, which is the brand that makes the LPC ARM 41 LPC 2146, sorry, LPC 2146 controller. Alright, I get a third hand here. I'm going to have to tap into the power. This green wire, I cut it off, which is connected to here. Let's back out a bit. See this green power, I'm going to tap it to the DVD power. We're going to rob 3.3 volts. The Molex comes from a computer to here with this volt regulator, and it goes throughout here. This is supposed, and I use a butt connector for car alarms. You could just quick disconnect it. Here we go. Alright, today's day is October 17th, 2011.